Mom and Dad are busy every day. Dad works very hard for our family, which makes me worry because it may hurt his health. Mom always feels sorry for me, but I know how busy she is, so that's fine. I study very hard because I want to make Mom and Dad proud. I get along very well with my friends to make Mom and Dad worry less. So I've never felt sad at all, even though Mom and Dad are not around. But today, something unusual happened. It seems that Mom has finished her work early. I was really happy when I saw the message that Mama has got home. Did Dad see the message too?
Why did she get home so early today?
Dad may be still busy with his work. Dad'll be late as usual.
Olivia hasn't arrived yet.
If only Dad can finish his work early today. Today was such a special day.
Bring your family closer. Samsung SDS Digital Door Lock.